back to another Sharpie's World video. Here we are.
Today we're going to be making lip balm.
She is. I'm just supervising and reading instructions.
Yeah.
Right then. So today, tell them what we're doing, Lace.
We're going to be making lip balm. There's 10 lip balm, but today we're going to be making 1 or 2.
Yeah. Tell them what we've got.
So we've got a mixing cup, a scoop that's like spoon.
Yeah.
We've got flavours.
What flavours?
Strawberry, watermelon and mint.
Whoa, yeah, smells lovely.
How do you pronounce it?
Shea
butter and beeswax and olive oil.
This is not for cooking. It's not olive oil to do some French bread.
Okay.
French bread? Onions. I don't know. I don't know, Kim.
I don't know what she's on about.
Right then. So, we've got these like little things that you put the lip balm in.
Yeah.
Right, we're going to give it a whirl, aren't we, kid? Right then. Let's have a look. What's it saying? Yeah, baby. Personalised lip balms. Add the following to the mixing cup in this order. Oh, wait a minute. Level scoop of olive oil. Right, so we're going to do that first. Here's a tip. Don't clean the scoop before scooping shea butter. The olive oil will keep the shea butter from sticking to the scoop too much. Okay, right then. So, it's alright, don't panic, Mrs. Manning. And just in case you didn't know much about us, we're a family vlogging channel.
Yeah.
And I've just put them back in there like a numpty. And we like to go on adventures, we like to do things, so if you haven't already subscribed, please do, because we like to have a lot of fun. Right, so we're going in with the olive oil. Oh, or not. I bet it's got a stopper on, babe.
Oh.
Got to just give it a squeeze, I think. Or not. Hang on, it's coming, Lace, it's coming. Then.
It looks like orange juice.
Oh, it doesn't taste like orange juice though. Oh! Oh, have a sniff of that.
That's
Ooh.
what's making it.
This is what shea butter looks like, guys. I've never seen this stuff. People use it, but I don't. Right, so then it says, hang on, don't clean the scoop too much. A level scoop of shea butter. Make sure to really pack it in and fill the scoop. Go for it, kid. Oh, yes, good one. Press it in. Yes! Get your slimy lips in there. That looking good, isn't it? Yes, mate, that looks pretty good. She's good at this. We've never done this before, by the way. Right, use this stick, because that's to mix it, isn't it? So we're going to use the stick. You could have done that. Sorry, Lace. You could have done that.
Oh my god, it looks like a cloud.
Oh, it looks like this, look. It looks like a fluffy cloud. And
last but not least, we put the bees.
Well, Lacey says, what did you say that stuff looks like?
Orange juice and a cloud.
Orange juice. I actually think, and I know it's a family channel, but I think it looks a little bit like wee wee. Right, so then we've got another scoop of that going in. Try and level it out, Lace, because it's sticky now. Right, putting that in. Manage. Try and get it in the pocket. Place the mixing cup with ingredients in a microwave. A microwave on high for 15 seconds at a time.
Look, it looks like pumpkin seed.
It actually does. It actually does, my kid.
Whoa. I don't know.
You don't know how to use the microwave?
No.
Alright, just a quick lesson in microwaving, guys. So, press time cook. Press it hard. That's it. Then press 1-5. And start. See what happens, my little chip here. Oh, we might need that stirring stick. I'll get that.
Definitely again.
Definitely again. Right. So do the same thing again then. It said you could do it 3 to 5 times, didn't it?
Going again. You just oil.
Have a look. Yes. That is perfect, Lacey. Show the viewers. Here you go, guys.
Just looks
you
like...
hold that while I tip it. Show the viewers.
It just looks like oil.
Can they see it? Because I can't see what we're doing.
Yeah. Just looks like oil.
Wow, so everything's melted. Let's go back to the table.
Ha.
Look what we have to put up with, guys. Because we're doing something, he has to be here. He's a pain in the jacksy, that cat. Once it is completely melted, handle with care and use the stir stick to completely blend the ingredients, so stir it all round. At this point, you can add your flavours.
Watermelon.
You can mix and match the flavours, but no more than 7 to 8 drops in total. Right then, so answer in the comments, guys, what flavours you would make. So we've got watermelon,
Mint.
mint, and strawberry. So what flavour combinations would you do? Put your answers in the comments, let us know. We could maybe give them a whirl next time. But you done burnt yourself.
No, you just splashed and it went on me and then it dried instantly.
It's wax, darling, that's why, so we need to move quickly. Right, so what flavours are you going to go for then, Lacey? So you've got strawberry, mint and watermelon. Do you want to mix any, or are you just going straight for watermelon? Right, I might need to open it, might have a seal on, babes. No more than 7 to 8 drops, so the more you put in, the stronger it will taste.
Okay.
1, right, now mix it round.
Oh, that smells lovely.
Oh, I wish we'd got a smell-o-vision. It smells lovely. Let's have a whiff.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that does smell nice. Right, so once you've added in your flavours, stir to blend together before pouring into the containers. Here's a tip, guys. If the mixture has started to solidify and is too thick, is it going? No, we need to move quickly, because basically they're telling you to move quickly, because if it gets too cold, it will start to solid and then it won't go into the containers. But if it does go hard, you can just re-microwave it again. That's quite good, isn't it?
Yeah.
Remove the top off 5 cases and make sure the container is open all the way, as if you were fully retracting the lip balm. The amount of liquid mixture you just created should be enough. Should be enough to fill 3 to 5 containers. So we're just pouring it in, guys. Whoa, that's 1. Get some more, Lacey, because there's more liquid. Do you want to mix another flavour in that little bit?
No.
I don't think there's enough here. Oh, it says let the lip balm cool at room temperature. Do not refrigerate.
So now we're gonna do another one, and I think we might mix mint and strawberry together.
Yeah, good choice. We're going to do that in what colour are you doing that one in? Cool. To clean this out, what I did was I melted it even more, and then I just wiped it out with a paper towel, because I didn't know what else to do. Because you don't want to put it in your bin or your sink. You don't want to put it in your sink because it'll block your sink. Sharp is out in the rain. We've obviously been doing up the garden a little bit. Not that you can really tell, but we've been doing up the garden. So we've built a shed, and he's out there sorting out some electrics for it with the electrician. He's out in the garden sticking his tongue out at us. He's not a very nice man, is Sharp. He knows I'm talking about him. He's coming. He's coming, guys. He's coming. He's coming to see you because he knows that we're talking about him. You saw that we was talking about you, didn't you?
My ears were burning. They've been talking about me, guys.
Oh yes. Yeah, we were telling them that you'd moan if we'd got something on the table. So, you know, make sure you cover it up.
Anyway, I've got work to do. See you.
And that you've been in the pouring rain. Oh, lucky comes to mind.
Getting my hair wet.
Feel like we've got one.
Oh, we've done it, Lace. It does say in here that you can, like, sort of make a difference and change things about, but basically it has to equal 3 scoops, and we're just sticking with 3 of one of each because it's just easier for us. But you can experiment with it. And as Phoebe's one of our followers and she's subscribed to us, we'll give her a little shout out. Thank you for the present, Phoebe. Lacey's loving it.
Yeah. So now that we made the lip balm, we're going to show you them.
Yeah, we're going to use it for the first time, aren't we, Lace?
Yeah. So this is one of the green ones that we put strawberry and mint in.
Strawberry and mint. Let me smell.
then we
Oh,
put both of
I think
these.
this one might be my favourite.
Strawberry and mint. These two we put strawberry and mint in
Goes
too.
up. Can you see that? Goes up.
And it goes down.
Wow, it's like a proper lip balm. And it goes down. Right, go on then, have a go. See what it tastes like. Well, not taste, but you know what I mean. Feels like. Does it feel like a lip balm?
Yeah.
Does it feel good? Can I have a go? Best not, you've got germs on you. Oh, is this one mine?
Yes.
What flavour is this one?
The same as this one.
What's the watermelon one smell like? I've got the watermelon ones as well. Oh, that looks... I can't actually smell anything in that one, can you? Oh, I'm out of COVID. Can you smell it?
A bit. But my nose is blocked. from that
Right,
side.
I'm gonna go with the watermelon one. Are you ready? Watch this, guys. Oh. Oh my god, that's fabulous.
I can smell it a bit, but my nose is blocked from that side.
Oh, we've all had a cold this past week. Well, Kian's still got it.
I can smell it.
Lacey's coming down a bit by the sounds of it. Right, end the video then, kid. You're taking a bow. Okay, so that completes yet another Sharpie's World video.
Yeah.
So what we'd like you to do is hit that bell.
Bell, subscribe, comment down below, and hit the bell. I don't know if I already said that.
You did.
Oh.
And ideally, tune in for the next Sharpie's World video. Bye!
If you wait.
Oh,
If you want to stay tuned for another shopping video, subscribe so you don't miss another one.
yeah! Bye!
Bye.